Computer Hardware Basics Part 2. Brain Boost Academy. Computer ports. The 25-pin serial port, often referred to as the DB25 connector, is a type of interface used for serial communication. It was commonly used in older computers and devices to connect peripherals like modems and printers. The DB25 connector has 25 pins, each assigned specific functions such as transmitting data, receiving data, and controlling signals. The AT keyboard, introduced by IBM in the 1980s for PC/AT computers, featured 84 keys and a 5-pin DIN port connection. It evolved to the 101-key layout and was later replaced by PS/2 and USB ports. The game port, also known as the DA15 connector, was a standard interface for connecting analog gaming devices like joysticks to computers. It was introduced by IBM and widely used in the 1980s and 1990s. The port supported up to 2 joysticks and occasionally MIDI devices. Over time, it became obsolete with the rise of USB technology. The parallel port, often referred to as the printer port, was a standard interface for connecting peripherals like printers to computers. It uses parallel communication, sending multiple bits of data simultaneously. The port typically features a DB25 connector and supports cables with multiple data lines. Over time, parallel ports were replaced by USB and network-based connections due to their faster speeds and versatility. Would you like to explore its technical specifications or history further? PLZ comment. A serial port is a communication interface that transfers data sequentially, 1 bit at a time. It was widely used in older computers to connect peripherals like modems, mice, and printers. Serial ports typically use connectors like DB9 or DB25 and follow standards such as RS-232. While USB has largely replaced them, serial ports are still used in industrial systems and networking hardware for diagnostics and configuration. USB, introduced in 1996, became the universal interface, replacing serial, parallel, and game ports. USB 2.0 offers 480 megabits per second speeds. USB 3.0 delivers 5 gigabits per second and enhanced power. USB 3.1 doubles speeds to 10 gigabits per second. With types like USB-A, USB-C, and micro USB, it supports fast data transfer, power delivery, and connectivity for modern devices. Have you any question? Please comment. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like to this video and subscribe our channel.